Late at night, around 11:30 p.m., the corporate office building is almost empty. Outside, a light drizzle taps against the tall glass windows. Inside, the hum of a vending machine and the faint squeak of a mop are the only sounds. Emily Parker, a young janitor in her early 20s, pushes a mop bucket down the hallway. Her uniform is slightly worn, her hair tied back in a loose ponytail. She glances at her watch, sighs, and parks the mop against the wall. From her backpack, she pulls out a thick engineering textbook and a small flashlight. Sitting cross-legged in a dim corner, she flips to a bookmarked page. The flashlight beam is weak, but her eyes are sharp and focused. The camera lingers on her face, tired but determined.
Michael heads straight to the elevator, pressing the button impatiently. His jaw is tight, his mind clearly elsewhere. As the elevator doors open on the 14th floor, he steps out into the dimly lit hallway. That's when he notices a faint glow coming from the far corner. He walks closer, his footsteps echoing. The glow sharpens into the beam of a flashlight. And there's Emily, hunched over a book. Michael stops, his voice cutting through the silence. "Michael, what on earth are you doing here, in the dark, during work hours?" Emily jumps, quickly shutting the book and turning off the flashlight. "Emily, sir, I was just taking a short break." Michael steps forward, picks up the book from her hands, and reads the cover aloud. "Michael, Advanced Structural Engineering? This isn't exactly light reading for a janitor." Emily says nothing, eyes lowered. Michael hands the book back, his tone sharp. "Michael, you're paid to clean floors, not play student in the dark." Michael turns to leave, but glances back once, his expression now mixed with curiosity.
Emily steps inside, standing awkwardly near the door. "Michael, why were you reading that book? And don't give me the short break excuse." Emily hesitates, then speaks quietly. "Emily, I work nights here because it's the only way I can pay rent. During the day, I try to study. I want to be an engineer, but I can't afford college right now." Michael leans back in his chair, studying her. "Michael, so you're teaching yourself? In the dark, after cleaning floors all night?" Emily nods. "Emily, yes, sir, I don't have much, but I have time, and I'm not going to waste it." Michael's expression softens slightly. "Michael, most people in your position would have given up." Emily meets his eyes for the first time. "Emily, I've seen what giving up looks like, and I don't want that life."
The sound of Emily's words echoes in his mind. Slowly, the scene fades into a flashback. A much younger Michael, in a cramped apartment, studying under a flickering lamp. His hands are calloused from working construction during the day. An older mentor figure hands him a scholarship letter, saying, "Don't waste this chance, kid." Michael exhales deeply. He whispers to himself, "Michael, maybe it's my turn to pass it on."